Hello everyone. Are you spending so much time on social media and you want to come out of that? Are you game seamlessly and are you checking notifications and emails now and then in your phone? Then officially you are addicted to smartphone. What generally happens is that we get involved in using smartphone vigorously when we actually don't have any work in our life. And it's okay for that moment. This habit slowly becomes an addiction, and even we have a serious work to do, we are addicted to mobile. Watch this entire video to know the practical ways to come out of mobile addiction. Hi guys, you are watching Vamsi Speaks, a channel that is focused on sharing health tips as well as financial tips. Before going to know about mobile de-addiction steps, let us know few facts and terminologies that is used in smartphone addiction. Fact number 1. Teenage and adults are most likely to be addicted to smartphones. And yes, this is because in teenage and adult age, we are not mentally that strong and we generally don't have that much work. So it is general that we tend to get addicted to mobile phones. Fact number 2. And on average, a person spends 6 hours of their daily time using mobile phone, and this average percentage is increasing day by day throughout the year. Fact number 3. Mobile addicts can also have nomophobia, which is no mobile phobia. The fear of not having mobile. We feel anxious, we feel depressed if we don't have mobile with us. Fact number 4. Phantom vibrations. Even though we don't receive actual notifications or actual messages, we get an illusion that something has messaged us, some notification has been popped up, but there is no message. This illusion has been observed under so many mobile addicts. I also have experienced this illusion. By the way, why should we get out of mobile addiction? Even though technology plays an important role in our life to make our better lives, it is depreciating our life because the way that we use technology depends on ourselves. So how we use the technology depends on us. A person who uses smartphone continuously or who has been addicted to mobile possesses these characters: depression, loneliness, socially isolated, anxious, fearful, memory depletion, brain loses focus, bad work performance. So guys, we have come to the main part of our video. I am telling you few tips to reduce phone addiction. Number 1, have fixed time using mobile, because if you have fixed time to use mobile, no other distractions can distract you to use your mobile. So have a particular time in a day so that only you use those time to use your mobile. Number 2, don't take your phone to bedroom. This creates a safer environment in bedroom. That bedroom is only meant for rest. Number 3, remove unwanted apps from your mobile phone like social media, unnecessary games or unnecessary applications that come with mobile in handy, so that you can't get distracted meanwhile you are in the work. Number 4, turn off unnecessary notifications. Only turn on those notifications which prompts you about your job, your business and few other information only. Turning on notifications from all apps distracts you because every now and then some notification pops up. Number 5, maintain physical notes so that you can note down the points that you remember now and then, and this actually helps you to retain your memory, and it also increases your memory power so that you don't use your phone always whenever you remember to note down something. And maintaining physical notes, subscribing some memories or some incidents or some tasks that to be done in the future is very good idea. And finally, don't use your phone immediately after waking up. This is a great idea because it kills our entire daytime. Follow these tips and become smartphone addiction killer. That's one video, one topic. See you in the next video.